4K 30 frames per second, the EV on the negative 0.07 with the shutter speed at 1/200/8000. And we have here, checking out if we got exposure spikes. And what we're going to do is show you a hack. While DJI may address the issue, and they think this is a phenomenon, we go into the two dashes, make sure we're on Pro, and go to Exposure. You need to set your camera up in manual. You notice that we are on 1/60th of a frame. We could be on 1/50th to 1/60th. Our EV value is at negative 0.3. We are with a ISO of 200. We can go into 100, 200, 400, and it gets brighter and the EV value goes up. We want to be in 100 for me and confirm. And now we're going to do a test. This is a test with the EV value, as you can see in the upper corner, showing the EV value of the camera. Test 1, 2, 3. If you look over here, there is the EV value of negative 1.0. How we get there, as we explained, we go into the actual camera, into the Pro, Exposure, and adjust our EV over here. If you bring this up to 200 and you look at the main screen, you notice that my EV value went to a negative 0.3, not negative 0.7, that this camera may or may not have. Remember, every time you're seen and the light changes, you're going to have to go into the camera and readjust. This is the only way possible today, a hack to get rid of the exposure values that people are saying. I'm showing you how it's done, and thank you for your time and appreciate down below so we can get to DJI and have them correct the exposure jumps automatically. I'm Fish, and thank you for your time.